Hello and welcome back. My name is Hayze, and today on this art journey, we are going to be finishing this mural right here above me, behind me, in this great space. Can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm gonna try to do it in a crazy hyperlapse fashion so you can really get the feel of it, and I'm gonna have some people come help me. So let's get going. Alright, so if you can see, I've already got a lot of this mural done, so it's going to be really easy for me once my helpers come. My name is Jeff. I'm falling over a bunch of junk. You should probably clean up your spaces before you get started on a mural. That's a good tip. Painting. Try not to spill it. Mix it. So, I've got some friends to help me. This is Lauren, she's really kind of awesome, and she's gonna be putting in all these little yellow blobs and things like that. I'm really excited to see how they look out because you gotta check her out. She's kind of freaking amazing. Just saying. Anything you want to say, Lauren?
Thank you.
Okay, that's enough. All right, cool. Welcome, Lauren. Thank you so much for the help. All right, everybody. So now we got another member of the crew right here. This guy.
Yes, sir. Nurch in the flesh.
Steph Nurch. That's Niurch. I don't know if I'm spelling it right, but you guys gotta check it out. I'm gonna put this. Yes, I'm gonna put that.
You could.
The act somewhere down here. You'll find it. Check out that brushwork. That's real clean. I told you guys I was gonna get this thing finished today. Oh, did I not mention that?
You can do it!
Well, more to come. Stay tuned, and hopefully we get done today. I told them that I would feed them if we got done today. If not, they got to go home hungry. Bad joke. Just kidding.
How's it going today?
I'm tired, but it's going great. I can't be ashamed.
Yeah, look where you are. It's so beautiful.
Woo! December is 90 in December. It's 90 in December. I think I've made a lot of progress. A lot going on here. A lot of sound, so you can't really hear anything. But check it out. Okay. End of a great day. And check this out. The whole thing's got black markings. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah, we did it. Pretty good, right?